Morning everybody. Right, this morning's video. Back round show a bit, some more photos coming on at the end of this bit of a chat, and I'll just keep going till I've used my photos up and probably just go around a few events that were quite important to me at show. I mean, one of them was, I was talking to these Blockley tyres. Now, I've used their tyres, I've driven cars with their tyres, I've sent customers to this company. And I don't vouch them to be cheapest, but in all fairness, they're all right. You know, they're a good tyre, they've got a good range, and he was saying how many moulds they were up to now, which was quite a lot. I mean, I were inquiring some white walls for this, but I seem to be fighting a bit with it. Well, they had one white wall, but I think it was a 12. I think that one for 6. They had a few, but I don't think they had what I'm looking for anyhow. I could get them done in another way. I can sort it out in another way, but there's a good tyre. But we got generally chatting about job, and we were on about how it was, and he was saying we're a little bit quieter than normal. The store were a little bit quieter, but it was a bit quiet on Friday. I mean, I don't know if it picked up. I spoke to somebody at show yesterday, and they said it wasn't too bad, so it probably was a little bit better yesterday. It might even be better again today. But we got on about restorations, and we got talking about restorations, and he got on about saying just something like restoring an MGB now is like 30 grand, you know, and then stuff, it just goes up and up and up. And he did have a point, and I mean, I've brought this point up to you many times, cost and that. But what it did bring home to me is because, like I said to him, well, I'm encouraging more customers to go down their own road, which is really a big thing for my channel, because we're putting more and more out there to help you get on your own. And also, I'm available, like, if people are stuck in an area. I mean, like, a lad contacted me yesterday with a little NSU prints, and I mean, he sent me some pictures, and he was going to do it, he said, well, he's going to now. Well, I looked at these pictures, and I thought, good on the kid, because, I mean, it had lost its apron on its roof, it had lost its back. I really print, and listen, don't get me wrong, I mean, I think there's probably a car under there, it's German. You know, and it's like, well, I think they're German, or are they Austrian, essentially, I can't remember. I think they're German, aren't they? And, but, he was on about, and a problem bottom, he probably just needs a bit of help. He thinks he's got a better position at work now, so he might have a few spare quid. So, yeah, I think he was more or less wanting me to just sort his welding out, you know, make it a car. I'd be interested if it comes, because, honestly, I mean, it'll make you smile, but there'll be some lovely, interesting details in apron on roof and stuff like that. But that might be another story, we'll see. But that's what I'm saying. That's going back to, with me, we're like, as a community, we've got what we just keep saying important regarding channel. That sort of place where probably I belong, where people can't get that far, but they might just want to use it as it is, but they just want me to tweak these bits. And they've got a few mechanical problems, I think, a plug starting. They might even be seized engines, but they're not over hard things to work. But the point I'm getting over now is, like I was saying to Tyre Man, I says, look, if we can encourage more people down this do-it-yourself road, which was the only way once, there were very, very few firms that actually did restoration work. You know, I can remember, I can remember Mike, what they call him, at Everton, near Doncaster, Jagman. I remember Mike kicking off with E-Types. I can remember a few other lads. I remember Ken Jenkins coming round. Well, Ken seemed to always been on scene. I've known Ken for years and years. You know, but they were a little bit, they didn't tend to do everything, they were just in certain areas, and that's how it was. There were Les at Jagcats, did bits and pieces, Chuck Endings at Jags. But what I'm hoping we're going to do with this channel is, like, obviously, as you've seen, I'm putting more and more stuff on and bringing you more and more on. And I'm hoping that's where my community is going. So, I mean, that's top and bottom is conversation I'm having here this morning. I mean, I'm going to film video with pictures for you, but I'm hoping with what we do is proper restoration. You know, where you're getting stuck in a bit, you're having a go. You know, I mean, I know it's difficult with, like, garages, but I spoke to a lad at show. I've spoke to this chap a few times at a few places I've been. I think he's a joiner, and I forgot his name, actually. He follows me, and I think he manufactured windows, sash windows, stuff like that, high-quality timber windows. But I think he was saying he's shutting down because he can't get staff, and he was telling me he restored a tram stag on his driveway, on axle stands and stuff like that. Well, it can be done, and I'm hoping this channel's here to help. So just stick around and watch video. I'm going to obviously put you a lot more pictures on, and just keep sticking with community I'm trying to build, because it's going to be interesting for you. So that's video end of story, end of day. So let's just keep going anyway. And thanks for watching, and carry on watching rest with photos coming through. Cheers.